He's not dumb. That's Penguin. I think that's fucking... Oh, that's not it. Yo, where's Panda at? I don't know.
I love my ass at burnouts. I don't know why it's now.
That's my babe. Watch it. My babe!
I make money when I talk. I'm a boss to the law.
I think he going.
I can introduce you to the
don't know.
I just sit on any
Like his head?
Stay down, got a relax. She gonna let me go. Give me extra money.
Yeah, I like that. I like that. That's I'm not recording that.
Watch out, you guys. Okay, we're good. He got space first.
No, I'm telling you, that's the goal, man.
Wait a minute.
You don't think so?
Oh, my future sweetheart.
Team Honda must be right. You that Team Honda?
Hell no.
Hey, just get out of here. She's like no touch.
That smart can shit.
Team Honda. Team Honda. Get out of here.
Yeah, trades in. Oh, y'all look.
Is that a drifter? him touch it. I could go touch it. I knew he was gonna do that shit, yo.
No.
Yeah. Hey, meet me over there. Okay. All right.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.